Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE screen dimming issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here open display. Now in display, select the light display mode. And now scroll down and here you will see a adaptive brightness button. So now turn on this adaptive brightness button and then go back and here scroll down and open battery and device care. Now scroll down and click on software update and here click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.